What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making a beef and rice taco skillet. This is a one-pot recipe. The rice and beef cook directly together, and it's ready in about 35 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna use classic taco ingredients. Whatever you like to load into a taco, I highly recommend. Those are the add-ins you use for this recipe. I'm also using my homemade taco seasoning. You can use store-bought if you wish. And then we also have our broth and rice. So you're gonna start by browning your ground beef in a skillet. I'm using a 10.5-inch cast iron skillet here. You just wanna use a pan that's gonna be big enough to fit all of the ingredients in it. Once that ground beef has been browned, you want to drain any excess fat from there, and then we're gonna add in our spices. So you can add in all of the spices and then also add in some salt and pepper to taste, and go ahead and load in your taco toppings. I like black beans, onions, salsa. And then give everything a nice good stir. I'm also going to add in some cilantro and a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice. I absolutely love the additional flavor that these add in here. Then we're going to add in our rice along with the broth. So this is why having a good pan with wide sides is going to be really helpful in this. And so give everything a stir. I'm going to reduce my heat to low and then place the lid on the pot. And then this cooks for about 15 minutes, maybe 20, depending on the type of rice that you use. I like to also top this with cheese. And so you know this is done once that rice is completely soft. And so another thing I should have pointed out was you want to use enough broth to completely cover the rice so that it cooks evenly. And so I'm going to add my grated cheese here on top just because I want like a gooey center. Gonna place my lid back on there for a few minutes and then it melts so easily. And then this is ready to serve. I like to add in even more taco toppings like some fresh sour cream or plain Greek yogurt for extra protein, some jalapenos. So good, so easy.